Hello, this is Steve from Beato's Leatherworks, and today's project is we're going to do a bag video today. This beautiful Chanel handbag. One problem. The dog got a hold of it. I guess the dog's got expensive taste. The customer was like very upset. He's pissed off at the dog actually. But no worries, what we're going to do, we're going to take it apart. We're going to replace that corner. And once it's done, you shouldn't be able to tell that it was taken apart and put back together. All right, let's get started. First things first. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to basically remove the lining out of the way, turn the bag inside out, and we're going to follow one of those corner stitching right there. See that triangle? We're going to replace that piece right on the seam, so you won't really tell once it gets done that it was replaced. You really have to come in close and look at it in order to tell. But I think we should be able to match that leather pretty good and get that done. All right, we've got two side stitches right here. This stitch right here. That stitch right there holding the corner together. We're going to take that apart first. This was an $800 job, plus another $280 to clean her up and condition her, add some colors and make it look close to new, as close as we can get. Now this top seam right here is what holds the lining inside the bag. So once we remove the stitches right here in the corner from one side to the other, we should be able to take the lining out and turn the bag inside out. So what we're doing here is we're pulling the top thread to the inside here. We're going to secure these because what we want when we put the new piece in, we're going to continue it right from that spot that we pulled it through to stitch a new stitch, and then we'll pull the new thread to the back and secure that. So once it gets done, you won't tell where it was stopped and where it continued. So that's what I did every row there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll secure all those down so it doesn't come loose. I'm going to put a little bit of light to it, melt it, or glue it down. I'm not sure yet. I'll figure something out. Either way, it'll be flat. So once it gets done, it won't be fraying from the top. Oh, look at that. Oh, I mean, it's not 100%, but it's much better than what it was, obviously. And we did have a hole there before. All right, another project done. Now, some of you guys are asking me how long did that take. Let's see, it is 6:30, and I started at about 5 o'clock, so about an hour and a half of labor. Not much material, just a piece of leather and you know, sewing machine, some thread, some dye, and some conditioners. So that was about almost a little over $1,000 for that. Now, not all project goes smoothly, right? Unfortunately, most of the projects that I do tends to start one way and then goes off the rails, and it's a lot more work than I entailed when I thought about giving the estimate. But I'm not complaining at all. It's okay. Some of them you win, some of them you lose. It's okay. All right, well, thank you for joining me. I appreciate it. If you guys haven't subscribed, please do so. Thumbs up, comment, share. You know, the shop has been pretty busy. It's been a while since I've uploaded, and I understand that. But I've got to take care of the shop, the work that comes in first. That's number one priority. But I've got a bunch of projects that I'm going to do videos on. So stay tuned for the next one, and we'll see you guys again on the next project. Take care.